Hey everyone, I'm excited today to announce the launch of my new listing process system tool. So this product that I've created will help you with your listings on eBay. Now, this tool comes in a couple of different formats. First off, it is made to download to your phone, so you'll have this listing process on your phone. So you can follow along with it and have it at hand all the time. So that's one way. Another way is you're going to have a printout that you can have, and you can print out to put next to your desktop or your laptop for easy reference while you're making your listings. But it also comes with this special video that you can watch how to use the tool, how to utilize it. And I'm excited about this because you're going to see here how you can bring up the tool, find out what you need to do, then switch right over to your eBay app and do it. You'll be going back and forth to get through your listing. Now this is a tool, it's a training tool made for you to understand how to list. And again, now this is one of these items that you will learn. And once you learn it, you won't have to be referring back to the tool because you'll become proficient at listing items on eBay. So as you can see how this will work, your downloadable tool on your phone, you'll be able to go back and forth between this tool and your eBay app and successfully list items. Guys, I'm excited about it. I'm sure it's going to help you. Go check it out. The link's in the description below. And again, thanks for supporting my channel.